In this video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp update not installing. So in this situation, the first thing that you need to ensure is that your device has at least 1 GB of free storage available. If it has not free storage available, or if it is running out of space, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. Secondly, what you can try out is clear out the system cache of the Play Store or the App Store that you're using. If you're on a Android device and if you're using Play Store, you can simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage. And then right here, you'll be able to see the option called clear cache. You can simply tap on it and then you can just head back. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to offload the application from your iPhone storage. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, the other thing that you can also try out is just try to refresh your network by just toggling on and toggling off the airplane mode, and also you can try to restart your device. So by following these few steps, you should be able to fix WhatsApp update and not installing. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.